issued a tsunami warning for the states of California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, and Idaho. A big tsunami is incoming and may impact these states. Remember that if you are under a tsunami warning, if caused by an earthquake, drop, cover, then hold on to protect yourself from the earthquake first. Get to high ground as far inland as possible. Be alert to signs of a tsunami, such as a sudden rise or draining of ocean waters. Listen to emergency information and alerts. Always follow the instructions from local emergency managers. Evacuate. Do not wait. Leave as soon as you see any natural signs of a tsunami or receive an official tsunami warning. If you are in a boat,